Hey guys, you're watching J at 40 Vlogs. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily and quickly cut and layer your own hair at the comfort of your own home. This method is best if you want to get rid of some hair split ends, remove some length, and just add some fresh layers to your hair. But if you're looking to cut your hair in a particular style, it is still ideal to go to a professional hair stylist. So if you want to learn how to do this, just keep on watching. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get updates of my upcoming vlogs just like this one. First things first, you will need a pair of scissors. A hair cutting scissors is best, but at this point, I'm going to use an ordinary pair of scissors to see if I can get a good result. You will also need some hair ties and a comb. Before you begin cutting, you need to make sure your hair is straightened and free of tangles. You can blow dry or use hair straightening iron if you have curly or wavy hair. In my case, I have a very straight hair, so I just simply comb them and free them of tangles. To start cutting your hair, you have to gather your hair into a high ponytail and tie it at the top of your head. How you position your hair is quite important. If you position it right at the top of your head, right in front of your face, like what I'm doing here, you will get more layer in front of your face and less at the back, and keeping more of your hair length. However, if you position your ponytail closer at the back of your head, you'll get more layer at the back. Grab a second hair tie and tie it right where your chain is in order to keep your hair all in place so they'll remain straight. And for the third tie, you have to tie it where you're going to cut it off. So since I'm going to get rid of some blend today, I'm going to tie it a couple inches from the tip, maybe around 4 inches from the tip. Next, grab a pair of scissors and just cut the ponytail off. As you can see now, all the dry ends and some split ends are basically gone at this moment. And now you just have a blonde cut. Next, remove the hair tie and divide your hair into 3 equal sections depending on how thick your hair is. You might need to divide it into 4 sections because we're basically going to work with one section at a time. After you divide your hair, tie each one of them separately so that they don't get mixed up. In the following step, you will have to soften the bluntness of each section by point cutting. To do this, you just have to use your fingers as a guide. Then cut into the ends of your hair using the points of the scissors, just like what I'm doing here. Move on to the next section of your hair and repeat the same process until all 3 sections are done. Now if you want to thin the ends of your hair a bit more, you can use a hair thinning scissors. But if you don't have thinning scissors at home, no worries, because you just can use the point cutting technique. All you have to do is point the ends of your scissors closer up to your hair, and that will get rid of some of the thickness. Also, if you want all your layers to look soft and feathered at the end, you just need to point cut into your hair even higher. Finally, when all 3 sections are done, you have to remove all the hair ties and check out to see if it's even. If you see some strands that are longer, just grab your scissors and continue to point cut. Now if you still want a long hair, you just cut it right in the middle of your sternum. But if you want medium length hair, just cut it right below your clavicle. This method of cutting and layering hair is pretty foolproof, so if you want to just experiment by cutting your hair a little bit more, you can always release it to see if it's long or short, and then you can always tie it up again and repeat the same process. And now the moment you all been waiting for, to see if I actually messed up or not. So this is now what my hair looks like after I let it down. Now one of the best things about this method is that you end up with even layers at the front of your face. But as you can see here, my layers are a bit too thick because I am not using a hair thinning scissors, or I didn't point cut enough, so I might just do some more thinning up the ends of my hair after making this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you later.